Something I was not expecting, but timing works out sometimes. Whew. I think we're selling my car.
It's crazy.
That is insane. I've had this car for over 4 years, and it's staple on my channel.
And we still have modifications to do to it.
Whew, that's the other part of it. I have not filmed anything about this because it all just happened so quickly. So I think we're selling the S5. I know in my last video I said I really wanted a B9 S4, and I do. I don't know what I'm getting yet, but I think I should probably sell this car. I got an awesome offer on the S5, and it works out because, I'll be honest, the content is kind of limited as far as what we can do with this car right now. Yeah, we could do stage 2 dual pulley, like crazy ported blower build, but ultimately the car right now, how it sits, is like really nice. I don't think I'd want to change it. I think we've done a really good job on the channel with this build, and I don't think there's a lot really left to do. But the good news is, if we do sell it, it stays local, and our ceramic coating installer is gonna have the car, more than likely, so I'll get to see it all the time. It's not like I'm selling it and it's going away.
Nice.
But dang, man, this car's been, I literally built my channel around this car and the B8.5 platform. I know recent videos we've been doing Evan's B9 S5. I have uploaded for the last 3 years on this car. It is tastefully modded in my personal opinion, so Jordan's getting a great deal. I'm getting a great deal. I think I need to start shopping for a car, like right now. I don't know what this video is gonna be. I guess I gotta edit that too. It's weird, very weird feeling, knowing that this car is gonna be not mine anymore. I guess that's the way it goes. So just thinking about like everything this car has been on and through with my ownership. I got this car in 2018. I didn't really make videos with it until 2019, but all the mods, all the like build has, for the most part, been documented and uploaded here. So it's weird to move on from that, but again, there's always the next chapter. There's always more stuff to do. There's always more content to make, and I think it'll be awesome to move to a new platform. And again, we're gonna see this car still on the channel, hopefully. Which is hilarious because I just got a lip for this car. My carbon fiber lip splitter, the front splitter just came in the mail. So I guess that's just gonna be free when I sell this car, which, I mean, obviously we'll still do the install. This car's still gonna be on the channel, but it's just weird to sell it. I'd say 95% chance certainty that I'm selling this car today. I'm waiting on the Carfax of a new car that is yet to be discussed on the channel, but this may be the last ride. So we are in dynamic mode, obviously. How funny would it be if I got pulled over my last ride?
That would be pretty funny.
Just boof my insurance from my next car. I think it's 99% official now. We're waiting on some information from a certain place about a certain thing. For the time being, I'd say I'm pretty confident this is the last day I'm gonna own this car. If this all goes through, I'll let you guys know, but if it does, we'll probably cue sad montage of enjoying this car for as long as I did. So I'm saying this as we're ripping through the Devil's Triangle right now. We have jagged rocks on our left and about a 700-foot drop off cliff to our right. You'll know that I fell off if this video never gets posted, but if it does, please leave a like because I'm terrified right now, and I'm just having the time of my life, honestly. This is awesome. I'll sign the bill of sale. I just signed the title over.
Wow.
It's official. How crazy is that?
That's insane.
It's tough. I'm gonna have such a fun time editing this video.
Yeah.
Jesus. This feels wrong. Taking my key off my key change feels wrong.
Wow.
Shouldn't say my key.
No longer your key.
Nope. Car's filthy, but not mine anymore. So I guess don't need to worry about that. Suppose this is a farewell. Oh my.